Hey, good morning, everybody. Bob, Trade Genius. Hey, a real quick chart. OPEC meetings this week. We're coming into the shoulder season for oil, which means that they're going to go from drawing down to starting to refill storage. And usually this comes to be weak pricing because after summer driving. And so it's going to be a good opportunity to start shorting oil. Now, having said that, this is a 4 hour chart. Is that if you notice, the stock market and oil have been doing pretty much the same thing. And here's the big drawdown in the stock market. You know, my view is I think oil leads price for stocks because I think they use oil as collateral for their leverage bets. Now we've just been chopping, and I think now we made a higher low here. Now I'm going to watch to see before I get a sell signal if they're going to push this thing up higher. I don't want to front run this, but I definitely am looking to see if I can get into a trade here on UCO puts. And so what I'm looking at here is I'll probably go out to October here, and I will go probably I'll look at the 17s, and because I think we're going to get probably a pretty good move down. I think oil moved down at least 10%. It should move down the price of UCO, at least 30%. So I think we're going to have a good opportunity here to make some money. I don't know if I'll do a spread yet on it or what, but I think price will probably break 1950 here. I think they're going to push it up, try to scare the children, along with trying to push the stock market up. But if we get a sell signal below this line here at the end of the OPEC meeting, is then I think it's going to be pretty bearish, and I'm looking for a pretty good drop. So that's my plan. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I think it's a great opportunity. Another trade I'm also eyeing, not quite there yet too. It's been pretty relentless. Is also UNG, and UNG is a great stock to short over time. But right now it's in one of its occasional blastograms. So I'm just kind of waiting. I took a dabble on it last week and just quickly jumped out. And I think it's has a little bit more room. This looks like another bull flag here. So you're looking at 2150 to 22. Maybe a little bit higher, but this will also be a great trade to short too. So maybe not this week, but the following week. And UNG mostly likes to go down, except for these occasional crazy blastograms. So like you don't want to get caught in this one being short, but if you're playing puts and calls, your risk is pretty limited. And so it's just something to keep an eye on if we're going to be starting the fall winter season and start getting a move like this. So, but I just think it's going to probably come up to 22 area here. That'll cap the move, at least for a trade down, and then we'll see what happens when we get into the winter season to see who needs nat gas. Right now they're producing a lot of it, so this could just be a counter trend move. Anyway, I hope you guys having a great weekend. I am, and it's just beautiful out here in SoCal. Today the weather's going to be perfect, and I'm going to spend watching football. So anyway, go Steelers. I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.